this is our budget. So there are some basic items, web hosting, web designing, these are things that haven't changed. I've increased the price of meeting expenses because just having meetings at certain places, there's a caliber that comes with meetings, that's why table reps want to come for meetings, so I've increased the cost of the meeting so that it's at a better level and we can do fellowship afterwards. The rest are pretty straightforward, so I'll get to the main thing at the bottom. AGM expenses. Usually AGM expenses has been about 50k to 100k. I've made it 300,000 because every year what we do with the AGM is we charge our tablers a thumping amount, 7k, 8k, whereas we have money. So our next year plans, our plan is to have a grand AGM where we don't charge our tablers. For that because we pay our subs, so that's the AGM, right? Now, Masan, change it over there. So now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to I'm going to explain why I made decisions and present extracts of the budget, right? So, go on. So my plans this year is to just strengthen tables. I'm going to take this off. Right, because for me, for far too long, I think what has happened is everyone has an idea of how to do things, and then they come and become president, and then they confuse themselves, that they think they are a table on their own, and then we start trying to projects on our own. The idea of Roundtable is always to support the tables of the association, not to do projects on their own. So on that token, I think there's 3 types of support that we can provide tables. Number 1 is the financial support, and that my budget will provide. Next page, please. This year, I have, for community service, RTSL will not carry out any community service. The community service convener will help you all in your table projects. So he will help you with getting your project out there abroad to raise money. So the next year's table of the year for community service project will be given by my guarantee that we will present your project the following year in foreign AGM so that you all can raise money for your tables. I have started this, next page please. 500,000, there's a 500,000 fund. There's 2 proposals, so we'll accept 2 proposals. Everybody can propose. 2 projects will be selected. Each project will be given 250,000 in cash for your community service project. There are some rules for it. You obviously have to pay your C forms and be qualified, right? 1. The vote for the 2 tables that will be elected will be selected will be a vote by the NEX, so that we don't have any favoritism or anything of the sort. And this is one problem we've had before. Once a project has been given something to a table, the national board will not interfere with that after that, right? So it's up to the table chairman and the table to carry forward that. The only thing that if you all win, you all have to provide is their expense reports if they ask. Other than that, you all don't have to provide Scott. Of course, everything is a give and take, so we are not going to do any community service ourselves. We will provide 2 tables at 250k each, which will be a substantial help for your community service projects. In return, all we ask is that when you all promote your projects, to promote Roundtable Sri Lanka as well. Because the association needs to be promoted for tables to grow. So that is the only thing we ask, and our PRO will, the new PRO will supplement that, and that will work accordingly. Next page, please. Now this is the other one. There's national support for one table project, which is a fellowship or a fundraising event. Next page. This is basically because I've always felt that RTSL tries to organize fellowship events and we make a muck up of it because we don't get crowds, and you'd rather give it to a table to do it rather than RTSL do it, because it doesn't make any sense for RTSL to do something and invite all the tables. You'd rather get a table to organize it and get everybody else to come for it. So this can be a joint proposal. The only request I make, it's not a rule, that you all try and get as many tablers as involved to come for the event and attend the event. You all are free to raise money at the event. You all can make a profit. It has to be a fellowship event as long as it is a mega event. Like I would give an example, is Table 3's event, right? What they do, the comedy show. I want more tables to do events like that. So from our side, we are giving you 150,000 to try and get that to happen. So I hope some table takes this up and carries it on, and I hope it's done in the future. Again, the same thing, promote RTSL. Next. Okay, so I have cut down the budget of conveners because The fellowship convener this year, Avi, I've already spoken to him, and community service convener. Their job is not to do events for RTS. Their job is to help events for each table, right? So whoever is your guys, please contact them, and they'll be in touch. I don't need to be told. That's what their job is. Not because RTSL is not an entity on its own. It's what is your love. But there is one thing I put a lot of money in this year as a budget is the BRO, because that's the only thing that I think we should do, which is Shama's laughing at me, we didn't get any money for 2 years. That is something that we are responsible for. Branding of Roundtable Sri Lanka, we will brand. This will involve also tables. So if you want your thing out there, please ask us and we will help you guys to brand yours, and we have a PR for it. Chamishka, please come and present himself, because I'm not very good at branding, so it won't make sense for me to talk, so let him talk about it.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So, I'm going to run through the PR plan. Mainly I'm focusing on four aspects. First one being the social media. Sorry for the fonts being smaller. So I'm trying to increase social media awareness across the tables, and I always believe all the tablers can definitely take tabling to the next level through to your networking. And also the next is the PR activities. In that, publications, the vlogs, blogs, and all the startups I think we can think of, and also associating tables as the chairman mentioned. We are here to help you. So if you all need any support, or if you all need any assistance with us, let us know. So we'll be there with you. And also the member branding. I always believe all the members here are the brand ambassadors of Roundtable Sri Lanka. So I think it's that time of the year that you all decide to brand yourself as the ambassadors. So all of you all are brand ambassadors. So I think there are some special I would say a program to run it socially and offline and both. So that's about it.
Right. So fellowship grant for tables, you still have your 25K each. Please use that with responsibility and with honesty and integrity. Use it to spend on your tablers for them to travel, because right now it's a pinch on everyone, so it's difficult to spend money. So try and spend it on your tablers attending other events than just having an event for the heck of it, right? And RTS fellowship events, 150K of this will go for the fellowship that's here after at Playtrix, which is free of charge. And the balance will go for a pub crawl. That's the only thing that RTS will do this year as a fellowship event. We don't need a community service on our own. Next. I've explained all this, and that's I've reduced the travel budget by 150 because we don't need to travel as much this year. But that's your budget for this year, gents. Is the budget okay? Agenda again, please. Yeah?
Ask every table.
Table 1, Table 2, Table 3, Table 4, Table 5, 7, Table 7, Table 8, and Table 9. Thank you, gents. Next, please. Go back. Yeah. Appointment, determine the subs. The subs, what was the subs last year, Tari? The subs are the same. I'm not just going to increase the subs. 5,000, it's the same subs. I'm not increasing anything. Tari increased it last year, by the way. Just to let you all know. Appointment of bankers and auditors. Sabir? Oh, sorry, now no one. Just so you explain.
Sergeant.
We want to make a small suggestion when it comes to the appointment of bankers, because we do have bank accounts at NDB and DFCC. So while continuing with that, we really want to open up a new account at Commercial Bank.
Commercial Bank.
Commercial Bank. I will explain it because if you feel like conflict of interest, you can raise right now. The mere reason is because Commercial Bank provides online banking facility.
So other banks do?
They do, but it's only viewing facility right at the moment. So that is why with the convenience, it would be very easy. And NDB charges are a bit high, that is why we are not using it.
So we can reduce the prices, we can negotiate with NDB.
Any objections?
I have a question.
Yeah. You'll attend NEX?
I'm not part of the audience. No, but like, honestly,
Yes, I agree.
we have been at KFC for the last some years.
Yeah.
But we are looking
We're looking into research. We actually.
Yeah. We will get the options.
We will.
True.
Sure.
Yeah. We will play in that way. And we will confirm the Amritsar company will continue as the option.
Yes, thank you. Okay, any objections? Nope. Right, greetings, we already did greetings, right? Anyone else has any greetings? No? Any other business? We have one company, I think, Chamal, please come and speak. He has something. We're trying to do some deals for tablers throughout the year. I had a vision 2 years ago to have discounts from the various places with the card me and Charlie worked. But now we are on the board, so maybe we'll do it now, 2 years later. So as a start, we have got a deal from Emerald, and he'll come and explain. Outside of my budget, this is what I'm going to do. This is what I plan to do, or what I plan to do for 3 years. This is my personal opinion. I think we need to create a more transparent culture between all of us. There doesn't need to be any secrets or any form of politically right or politically wrong things that we need to say and not to say, because I'm not very good at that. There's a lot of us going through a lot of stress that we don't openly talk to others about. Suicide is actually one of the highest rates of killers in the world. And not to put it down on your night, but as Roundtable, at least if you all are not, even if you have table issues, it's fine if you have a table issue and you can speak to another table. You're not running a country, and that it's not China versus India or any of that, right? No, just 2 small tables. Please encourage open discussions. Please encourage, if nobody's there, I'm always available to talk. Now this doesn't mean you can give me nuisance calls at 11 until the night, right? Second thing, one thing that I really worried was, and I'm being open here, is that I found out that there are some tables, not that I have an issue with it, that they have rules before tablers get into the RTSL board. I respect your views, but RTSL is a part of the RTSL isn't something else that came out from everywhere else. If you don't send your tablers to the Roundtable Sri Lanka board, how do you expect them to grow? How do you expect Roundtable Sri Lanka to grow? How do you expect anyone to grow? Right? So it has to be a give and take thing. There is I understand there's a distance between the Roundtable board and the tables. I'm not pretending otherwise. That has been there. To break that, we need everybody's participation. We can't have we can't have 4 buggers from table 1 or 5 buggers from table 1 and have nobody else. That happens because table 1 are sending people to the board. We need other people to come to the board. It's not a difficult thing. It's the easiest job in the world. Actually, it's easier than being in table. So please, please encourage, hypocrisy there, but please encourage your guys. Expand your horizons. Guys, if you're joining Roundtable to meet just 5 or 6 buggers in your tabling, you're wasting your time. Because that you can do anyway, right? You can just get up together and do a piss up and we can beat it. The reason you join Roundtable is to meet people you have not met. For example, when I was going to join Roundtable, I was supposed to join Roundtable 4, believe it or not, because I knew everyone from Roundtable 4. But I made sure I didn't join that table because I already knew everybody, right? So I joined Roundtable 1, who I didn't know anyone from, and they're very close friends of mine. Like I have very close friends in Roundtable 4 as well. I still maintain those relationships, but it's nice to meet people. And if you're going to, your table number is just a number. Table 4, table 1, we all have the same ethics, right? We want to, Charlie hates when I say this. But try and travel, try and meet people, and try and expand yourself. And last but not least, this is my personal opinion. I have seen a lot of people see things and just say, oh, it's not my problem, so I don't give up. Sorry, I don't care. Trust me, if it happens to you, nobody's going to care. You need to have some empathy and a caring culture. Even animals have a caring culture, and we don't. Right? It's about time we start taking care of other people around us, at least for the selfish reason that you will feel good if you take care of someone else. Trust me, it's a great feeling. So let's not be me, myself and I, and try and be a bit more productive to the world that we came in with. Let's leave something as an identity, that when we're gone, there is something left for others. Next page, please. Right. This is something even I need to take in, right? So, I was very nervous to take up this position because I have always been a rebel who's complained and complained and complained. Now I'm the one who's going to get complained at, right? So going forward, I'd like Roundtable Sri Lanka to be represented better, and change should start with me. And today from forth, I will promise you guys that I will try and be the best version of myself. I have not been the best person before. I have done things that I'm not proud of. But from today onwards, I promise you that I will be the best version of myself, and I hope all of you do the same. Wait. Last but not least, in my opinion, life is like a game of snake and ladders. Don't be a snake, be a ladder. I don't take today for granted, I don't take any of you for granted. Much love. Thanks.